Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to give you some tips how to download and register Messenger Signal. So at first you have to open your Google Play and find Signal Messenger. Now you have to install it. By the way, why I choose it Signal Private Messenger, because it's much safer that WhatsApp, Viber or Telegram. Now you need to have your mobile phone number, because you will get a code on this number and register. So open it. Continue. Hello. And type your phone number with area code. Original video is in Ukrainian language because I did it for my friends, but I think it can be useful for English speaking people to register it, because sometimes it's a little bit difficult to install it if you are a beginner. So here you can get a code. You got the code directly, and now create your own your own pin to make it safe. By the way, if you use another phone number, you will get a message with your code, and you can fill the code here. Write your name. And you will get your Signal app on your phone. Thank you friends, hope my information was helpful for you. See you in the next videos, and bye bye.